What's up, y'all? It's the Toro Tech, and once again, we're going to be bringing you another 3-minute drill talking about tech that I think will help you on your next presentation, streaming, business call, whatever it may be. Let's go. What's up, y'all? I've talked to you in the past about the Elgato Stream Deck and how I use it on a day-to-day basis to make my presentations and streaming sessions go so much better, so much smoother. And today I want to talk to you about a more affordable option called the Elgato Stream Deck Mobile. So we're going to talk about how, you can control different items, whether you're on a meeting or you're not on a meeting. We're going to talk about how to turn on some lights. We're going to talk about how to jump in and out of different presentation modes, whether it be on screen or on your desktop. So without any more delay, let's go ahead and just jump on in. So we've done more than a few videos about me talking about presentation and training tools. But first off, what can it do? So as I mentioned, it can control the lights, right? Control your, whether it be Elgato key lights or whether it's going to be Hue lights or whatever the situation is. And if you have a device that's connected through a mobile app of some sort, most likely you can connect it using your Elgato Stream Deck. You can control different camera angles. As I showed you, you can be talking to somebody, looking at the screen while then changing and presenting. This is going to give a more dynamic view or more dynamic or interesting meeting because you're not just a talking head speaking to them, kind of like I'm doing for you right now. So say you're a traveling salesperson, now we're getting back to traveling, and you want to keep that same feel with you have some remote individuals while you're still in an actual meeting or you're actually there on site. Bring it with you, right? Control your eCam, control your Teams, control your OBS Studio, whatever the situation may be. And the last thing is going to be those custom icons. Now, this may be a big thing for you. It's not a big one for me. It's going to be custom icons. I don't find them to be, inordinately super useful. I don't usually use them at all, but it may be a game changer for you. You may like that extra customization, and that's all good. So as I mentioned earlier, what can it not do? And I'll say nothing. Because it literally does everything, at least for me, does everything that my Elgato on my desk in my office does. So I can mute my Teams call, I can do hotkeys, I can do multi-action events, I can do control, hue lights, I can control key lights, I can control camera views, I can do so many things on the mobile app as well as when I have a physical device. So there's nothing that it can't do, right? And so that's a cool, I think, item overall. The last piece, which I know you're sticking around for, how much is this, right? And you're probably going to go out there and you're going to look at it. It's on your mobile app store, whether the Google store or whether the Apple store, and it's going to have a free download, but then it's going to, after that trial ends, it's going to be $2.99, at least on the Apple store, which is what I can verify. I cannot verify the Android store or the Google store because I don't have a Google or Android device. I have an iPhone, but I will say on the iPhone, it's $2.99 a month, which isn't that bad. I mean, you can cancel at any time, right? So I think that's a pretty good deal. I said $2.99 or $24.99 for a yearly access. And so as we close out this session, hopefully you've gotten some value out of the content that I've given you here today. And if so, and you like it, please hit like. And if you do not like what I'm doing, please hit that thumbs down twice and add a comment. I'm hoping that you're finding value in the content that I'm providing. If you want to see more content like this or any other topic that I've talked about in the past, or even have some general questions, please hit me up. As I always say, do better, be better, because you know better. Peace out, y'all. It's the Toro Tech.